copy trade. Copy trade. Copy trade. 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 copy trade. We copy trade.
Good day everyone, no matter where you are tuning in from, whether you just start your morning, already in the middle of the training wheels, or relaxing at the end of your days, welcome to our robot live streams. I'm Kai, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entries WeMasterTrade teams, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just another presentation, it is a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the entry rooms of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funders, trading firms in the industries. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me today is two outstanding traders who have a step of cultures, visions, and the standards of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and the leaders within our community. Further, the Everest composer, always insightful, Helen, welcome.
Thank you so much, Kai. Hello everyone, and thank you for to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for this session because there are so much we're going to uncover, not just strategy or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trades, it's a build trader step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to her is someone known for SEP's analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart readings, strategies, prices, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Ralph.
Thank you, Kai. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we are unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you ever had questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you are completist news or already friends traders with us, today's live streams will give you the full pictures, not just the highlight reels. We are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, and how our programs are designed, and why we operate different from traditional brokers or prop firms. And just to clarify, this is about selling you anything. This is about having you understand what you're signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only success but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Brokers profit from volume or client losses. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profits when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy serves our trading packages as well. Today we will walk through each package, what it's designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you ever look at our packages and thought, which one fits my style, you finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we are doing the live side-by-side comparisons, pricings, account size, match rationale, consistency rules, payout timelines. Breaking numbers on the website is one thing, understanding the intentions behind those numbers is the other.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always how do I stay compliant while trading? So we dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why floating profit and loss matters, and how to avoid violations, especially overnight. We also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rule, I will share real experience from my early funding trading. Mistake I make, adjustment I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we roll through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaigns, capitals, and show you exactly how to qualify to and submit proof properly.
And finally, we'll talk about the scale plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tiers. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income as WeMasterTrade, the profit-sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical prop firm out there. When you trade on a funded account, follow the rules and trade profit. We share that profit with you, not just small cuts up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just a highlight. What really matters is the payout cycle, the threshold, and how the timeline works. And we're ranking all of that today, so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
Now, I know a lot of you turning into today's are not just the traders. Some of you are the mentors, the educators, community leaders, and you simply have a strong network. So we are also diving into our affiliate programs, and we are doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and more importantly, what you need to qualify to pay out. And that includes a full explanation of the two reference rules and the minimum funding requirements. No confusions, no surprise.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome. But we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with their way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commission, you are building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not your usual light, surface level live streams. Today we are going to dip into everything: the trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale-up pathways, profit sharings, affiliate opportunities, all with the one goal: helping you make the smartest, most informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here, we're watching, and we will answer as many we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching this or the replay later, don't worry, we will leave timestamp summaries and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They're one of the most dedicated teams I have worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this: WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build real traders, a commitment to fairness, and a commitment to giving people all around the world a structure. Scalable path to turning trading into the professionals, not a gamble. So if you are here to grow, to understand, and to take the actions, you're in exactly the right place. Let's take this journey together. So alright everyone, let's begin. And once again, welcome to WeMasterTrade live streams. Before we jump into packages, the trading rule, platforms, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put your time, your energies, and your trading journeys into the platform, understand is who we are, what we believe in. It's not just headphones, it's essential. And so this next segment is all about origins, intentions, and impact. This is about where WeMasterTrade came from, what values hold this intriguing platform together, and how those values transform into the real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for the traders like you. And to walk us through that stories, we got two people who literally live and breathe these missions every single day: Helen and Ralph. Helen, let's kick it off for the beginning.
Thank you, guys. To really understand WeMasterTrade, we have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike small broker or broker that rule out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of WeCopy Trade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopy Trade makes its name through investor network, copy trading technology, and signal, but WeMasterTrade is work created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them, so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
There's one key point many people overlooked, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan. It's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our models only works when traders are profitable. That's why everything we have built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale-up plan, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structures and pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know how something important: skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders to memorizing rules, we want them to understand the logic behind the structures, the why behind the risk model. And that's why we invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take our traders from beginner on the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the Academy is seriously something special. We have trainings that cover everything from trading biology to risk calibrations to advanced multi-asset strategies. But the best part is, it's not just the theories, it's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So what happens? So whatever you learn in the academies, you can apply directly to your fund account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global education standards, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO 21001 and 2018 certificate and recognitions given the institutions that deliver high quality structures and international complete learning systems. This is a big achievement and it represents our commitment to long-term traders development.
Now that certification is just in a badge, it's a statement. It shows we're invested in developing trader, not in collecting fee and displaying like so many firms in display. While our firm rise fast and vanish even further, WeMasterTrade has real structure, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We're not here for a quick wave. We're here to help build a career that lasts.
And that commitment shows in the story we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some passed challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings, and some found clarity, structures, and support they never experienced before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women re-enter the finance after long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact and we care about. That's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystems go beyond the fundings. For the traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the markets, we maintain a constantly updated blog sections, weekly insight, biology breakdowns, market reactions, platform update. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our communities never stop steppening its edge. And let's talk about the cultures for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just features, it's just the mindset we cultivate. Integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you're chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or talking in our live support team, we know one thing: we actually listen. We treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. In the platform, the trader is just another customer. But at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance for the business, your feedback shape the platform, your consistency determine how far we scale together. That's kind of motto, accountability is rare, and it's something we genuinely value.
So if you ever questions whether this part is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial, look at the funding accounts, and talk to people who have gone through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than the platforms. We are a capital allocators, a talent accelerators, and education first trading institutions. We are here to challenge the status quo in trading assets, to require performance over promotions, and to create real, scalable income opportunity for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is the biggest than the platforms. It is the trading movements, and if you are ready to be a part of it, today's live streams will give you the full roadmap to get started. So thank you Helen and Scrap for that deep and honest podcast. Coming up next, we will take the foundations and connect it directly to what we offer. Our actual account packages. That means our full breakdown of all the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they are designed for, and what kind of results you can realistically expect from it. Now that we explore who WeMasterTrade is and the principles we stand for, it is the time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's sessions, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins, choosing a structure that aligns with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill levels. And when we say packages, we are not just talking about the money, the dollars a month. We're talking about the frameworks for roles. Each packages at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathways, a roadmap towards building skills, scaling your capitals, and unlocking potentials. Today we will walk you through every package, explain what it offers, how it's structured, and most importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Kai. As WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders: the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account size and configuration because the trader come with a different brand, risk capacity, and the timeline. We make sure that the path for everyone, whether you're starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now let's talk about the instant funding package designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have tested strategies or want to hit the ground running. In fact, it's a fact, efficient and skill structure around the same risk rule that keep your account safe.
In the instant funding package, you select an account size on 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, or 100,000, and you start trading real fund from day one. The rule is straightforward: 5% day loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1 to 100 leverage. There are no simulation phase. You are already in the funding state, and your profit share up to 90%.
So to summarize the challenge package, it's perfect if you want to step-by-step progressions, prove your skills, get familiar with the WeMasterTrade risk frameworks, and readily unlock the higher profit shares. The instant funding package is for the traders who want to start with the real capital immediately, with all protections and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly, think of it this way. Challenge package means the build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. Instant funding means trade like capital immediately if you are confident in your strategies. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rule. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you're learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level, and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are as beginners, intermediates, or advanced, there is a WeMasterTrade package for you, and coming up next, we are going to do side-by-side comparisons of the challenge and the instant fundings, so you can clearly see account size, risk rules, timelines, and profit share opportunity.
The 25,000 to 100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you have passed all the broad challenges or have a strong verified trading history, this is a natural next step to level up your career.
Oh, every challenge package comes with the one-time fees. For example, just $50 for the 10K challenge. Here's the good part. That fees is refundable once you become funded and meet the minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your ways, you are eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to roll through the challenge at all? And what's the real capital from the day ones? Earnings release pays on the resource. That is where our instant funding packages come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluation, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preferences, and goals. Today we go through in the 4 main instant funding packages: the 5-10-10, the 5-10-0, 5-10-10 novice, and the customized package. We will compare the detail, but more importantly, we will help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me see the screens. All the instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phase, no evolutions. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. As every account, no matter the size included, no time limits, up to 90% of profit share. Scale up plan toward $1 million. Support for EAs, swing trades, scalpings, and even SFT strategies. Now let's go to package by package. Next up, let's shift risk to the 5-10-10 package. Same maximum capital up to $200,000, but now you can get 5% daily loss and 10% overall limits. So why it is important?
That extra breathing is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entry per setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting the limit prematurely. It's a bright game changer for professional style.
And the profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get fully flexibility, covering EAs, new trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This bucket is all about tolerance and adaptability. It's to a trader who understands position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
This bucket is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pairs. If you already have a tested interest strategy and want a little extra breathing for risk, this is the bucket for you. It gives you flexibility without efficient structures.
And it also great for traders who strive with clear targets. That 10% profit will act as a motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this bucket gives them the clarity without feeling restricted.
So to sum up, 5-10-10 for the high tolerance in trade days or ambitious traders. Next, we will dive into the 5-10-0s and 5-10-10 no PC packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trader style, including EAs, captains, and more aggressive strategies. Now this is one of professionals' favorites for the traders who love trading on their terms, the 5-10-0 package. You get 5% daily limits, 10% overall loss, and burst 0 profit target. That is right, no number chasing you around, trade small, trade patently, and less resources come naturally.
For traders who strive on breathing and overpace, this is the poor rhythm. You're focused on protecting capital, building consistent gain, and grow your account without any arbitrary pressure. No target, just trading clean, controlled, and strategic.
This bucket is perfect for low frequency traders and market snipers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning. This environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
And this bucket is perfect for veteran swing trader, reconstruct trader, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, this bucket will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to chase targets. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the bucket for them.
So next, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraints, the 5-10-10 no BC package. Rob, correct me if I'm wrong. This one remove the profit consistency rules.
Yes, same 5/10 risk profile, but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big win, take calculated swing, and you are not penalized for volatility in reserves.
Just a heads up, trade capital as an allowed, so this is for manual trader only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading, which occasional big spike, this is the ideal arena.
This package is for aggressive traders, risk takers, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limit.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of it as WeMasterTrade says, you define the rules within your strategies.
You can set up your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to the 400,000, the largest funding option we offer. It is designed for serious traders who want to total control without compromising on flexibility.
This is premium on access trading. You can use EAs, new strategies, weekend holdings, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the bucket that lets you bring it to life. So who this bucket is for? Top-tier professionals, hedge fund traders, high volume traders, signal providers, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say if you try all the model and nothing fit, the customer package let you build your own roadmap. The level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious trader.
To wrap it up, every instant funding packages we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunities, clear risk parameters, competitive commissions, full market access, and a generous profit potential. Not artificial time limits and payouts. They can start as early as the very next days.
And here's the best part, no matter your trading style, scalping, swing, algo, or manual, there are accounts that match you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compound naturally.
And if you are ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flashy promise.
Alright traders, you have seen the packages, now is the time to take to the daily loss limits. But before that, we will take a soft break, then we can come later.
We copy trade.
Welcome back everyone. Alright traders, now we can come to the daily loss limits, taste status. This one separates the pro from the package. Getting funded feels amazing, but saying funded, that is the real game. The numbers, one reason the account gets shut down, one is daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it closes their account mid-trade on a Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But here's the silver lining. When you really grab it, this will become one of your best allies in risk management. Today, we will break it down step by step with a real example.
So, what is this? The daily loss limit, also called the maximum daily loss, says that the hard cap for losses in a single trading days, including spot, close, and floating trades. This is even for seconds your account starts down automatically.
And here's the nuance, it's only calculated from the height of your starting balance or equity. That small detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as safety list. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
So let's get practical. Day 5, your balance is $105,000, but equity is $107,000, thanks to some floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates from 107,000 the higher number.
4% of $107,000, about $4,280. Your equity cannot drop below $102,720 that day, or it's out of liquidation.
And here's the kickers. This is the real time. The system does not wait this below for even the seconds, and boom, your account closed.
Now flip it. Day 7 balance is 100,000, equity is 99,000 because some trades are in lot.
Since balance is higher, 4% daily loss is 4,000. Your equity must about 96,000 already.
Drop to 95,999. Auto liquidation triggers, no margin calls, no warnings, just done.
Now what happens if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. On trades liquidated, account disabled, you cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it is executed align markets right, Sleepy can make a final profit and loss without a pattern. That's a 3,900 loss you plan count turn into 4,200 in seconds.
That is why we always say, don't dance on the edge. Respect the limits, protect your capitals, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
How to stay inside the daily loss box? Alright trader, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Tip 1. Know your buffer. Don't plan trade that puts you right to the edge of your limits. Leave at least 10 to 50% cushion below your max, especially in volatile market.
Tip number 2. Focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of a violation.
Tip number 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboards. Check your loss status frequently. Do not rely on the memories or guesswork.
Tip 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of the London session, stop, reflect. Don't try to revenge trade back into the ring.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news event. Trading gold during MFB at full size. That's a fast track to healing daily loss. Scale down your loss. Ride the post-volatility move safely.
Let's talk about traps. What mistake do the traders make most often with the daily loss?
And the number 1, over leveraging. Opening trade that 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly, when if your risk fast is already too late.
Number 2. Holding overnight without checking exposures. 3 trades left overnight, wake up to a 60 bip gap, daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the trust big mistake.
Assuming only close trade matter, not equity include of floating profit and lot too, not just real score. And I always tell the new trader that the loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It is designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that, and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point. This is just about the rules. It's about trust. WeMasterTrade funds you because we trust you will manage risk responsibilities. The daily loss is protect that truth for the both sides. And we'll come to maximum loss rules. Previously, we covered the daily loss, your day to day seatbelt, but now it's the time to talk about the ultimate boundaries. I'm talking about the maximum loss rules, your account's airbags. This isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily loss, I'm safe. But a few days of small losses add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Hit it, and the system sees your account as unsalvageable. Immediate closures, no exception.
So let's break it down simply. This is the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity, including open trades, dips below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which is each day, this is calculated lose 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line, and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance is always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Suppose your account starts at 50,000 with a 6% max loss, that is 3,000.
Your equity can never fall below 47,000. It doesn't matter if you make 1,000 yesterday. It's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both close and floating losses count. Close 2,000, floating $1,200. Equity is 46,800. Below 47,000, account closed.
Not about the net ranks or loss across trades. It is about the real-time equities and the stop-loss flow.
Say your account rose to 51,000. Profit feel rate, right?
Yeah, but max loss is still based on the original 50,000. 6% limit means $47,000. Profit only give an extra buffer.
Exactly. Your equities can grow 4,000 before hitting the floors. Profits do not smooth the threshold.
Now, what happens when you break it? Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars, and auto liquidation triggers instantly. On trade close at market price.
And like daily loss, limit may or make your final numbers slightly worse. That's just the market reality.
And most importantly, once break, the account is permanently disabled, not reset, not rollbacks. Want to continue trades, you must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss box and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tips number 1, know your loss always. Track your total low losses every day. Don't wait for the dashboard alert. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Tip number 2, treat profits as ammo, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean going wide. Reduce lot sizes when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tip number 3, manage floating loose like a hawk. Even one road trade can turn your cruising into a catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip number 4, step back when danger loom. If you're 5% down on a 6% mark loss, don't trade it. Walk away, take risks, analyze patience, stay account.
And tip number 5, never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, gold, Nasdaq, Euro pairs, they spike fast, respect the market, respect the limit.
Now let's read rules. Here are the moves that destroy the accounts fastest than you can blink.
Number 1, over leveraging. Opening position at 5 to 7% of your account, thinking it's safe. One wrong move and you're toast.
Number 2, ignoring floating trades. Close 3 loser, think you are safe. One more red trade floating, 1,500 to 2,000. Boom, account cross the line.
A revenge trading low yesterday, come back sprinting today to recover. That's how 6% market loss disappear in the 2 sessions.
Number 4, slippage during news. Tie shops do not matter. The single candles can wipe out your purpose before you can blink.
Listen up, the market loss isn't your enemy. It's your protective self, your area. Every top trader I know treats it like as non-negotiable. Cross it and the lesson hit hard, account goal.
Exactly. Think of it as a reality check. If you're constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the account last year's knockdowns.
So here's the mantras, traders. Respect the match loss trades inside the pause. Protect your equities, grow consistently. Treat it like your best friends, and it will keep your account alive while more traders sell the trust around you.
As WeMasterTrade, we are not just handling our capital, we're building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The market loss rule that's the line that separates gambler from true trader.
So let's clock in this in. The traders, this is what you need to remember about the match loss. Is it a percentage of your starting balance? Usually it's 6% or 10%. It's calculated from the real-time equities, not just your balance. It counts both close and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kickers. Once it breaks, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive when most traders fail.
Alright traders, we have covered the daily loss limits and the maximum loss rules. Your capital stated next. Now let's talk about the results, not just risk. As WeMasterTrade, we want to see the trader roll scales and earns to the neighbors. That is where the profits consistently come in.
This rule separates lucky spot from true growth. It tells us whether you can make consistent profit over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals, and scale up. Funded and can't withdraw a full profit, this rule is probably why.
Simply put, the profit consistency ratios measures how evenly your profits come in the day to days. Once huge spikes and several flat or losing days, high ratios, low consistency.
As WeMasterTrade, more account require 30% profit consistency, meaning your bad day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. Exception the 5-10 no PC pocket, no profit consistency rule at all.
Important, if your profit consistency exceeds 20%, your profit share drops to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earnings. And now how is it calculated? Formula is simple. Best trading day profit divided by total close profit and multiplied by 100 equal profit consistency percentage.
The best day is single day highest global profit. Total profit is the sum of all global profits minus total losses. Floating losses don't count until close.
So if your bad days is 200 and your total profit is 500, your profit consistency equals 200 divided for 500 and multiply 100 equals 40%. that is too high and you need to trade small to reduce its ratio below 20% to adaptable for payout.
Now is an example walkthrough. We have a 5-day research as day 1 $100, day 2 $200, day 3 minus 50, day 4 $100, and day 5 $60.
The total number of is $100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60 equals to the 410.
So the bad days is the day 2 and equal to 100. So the profit consistency is 200 divided for 410 and multiply for 100 and it's equal like 48%.
Now that's why about the 30% limit even though profitable. The profit share drops to 10% until consistency improves.
Profits do not equal pace. Even profitable traders won't get full profit shares if grants are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 months a day to carry your account, that's risk not skill. You need steady win.
Long-term balance means the higher trust, scale-ups, and full profit share. That's what separates funded pros from lucky spikes. And if it's over the limit, don't panic. Focus on evening out profits over multiple days.
And there are some practical tips. Reduce lot size for a few days. A smaller control win from 200 to 300 per day. Avoid one massive swing trade. Spread gain from multiple days.
For EA users, monitor your equity curves. Those that spread profits one day may hurt your profit consistency. Adjust to keep the ratios below 20 between 20 to 30% for full profit shares.
Now is the common mistake. Number 1, hitting the target early and resting. Inflate the best day ratio.
Number 2, overtrading after the big day. Try to squeeze more in a higher ratio.
And number 3, ignoring the rules. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for rows and scales.
And profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit this, and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it, and even profitable account get reduced payout.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profits. Once lucky spikes any days, keep profit consistency below 20% to maximize your profit share and scales fat.
At the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you. It's about the building habit that can handle scale. If you can be consistent with the 25,000, what happens when we with you 100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And without since it's time and again, the traders who respect these rules, they are the ones getting multiple payouts, referrals, and eventually scaling into a six-figure funded account.
So, don't fear the rules, embrace it as feedback. Too high? That's good, it means you have made profit. Now the goal is balance it out over multiple sections.
And remember, no manual must required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculates your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your static tab.
And to summarize this, quick recap for traders. This rule is about the balance, not the volumes. Keep your paid days under 20% of total profits for mass payout. Spread your wins across multiple sessions. Monitor progress using the dashboard. So far, we are walking to the profit consistency, the daily lot limits, and the maximum account loss. And now we are arrived at the final and perhaps the most overlooked rule of the abroad. And now we come to the news of this week.
Now, good afternoon, traders. Today is not a normal day. We got some FOMC rate decisions and statement press conference that strip of volatility for USD.
Exactly, this is a central bank dimension day. Everything else on the calendar matter, but the Fed control the market tone.
First event, FOMCs. The rate stay at 3.75%, matching expectation.
So the rate itself is not the driver. The statement and press conference tone decide whether USD fly or drop. The next FOMC statement, the trader will scan for any hint of future rate cuts, trend the inflation lens with labor market assessment.
If the Fed sells less hawkish, that means USD sells. If they push higher for longer, that means USD rallies.
And next event is FOMC press conference. This is where volatility explored. Forward voting often move markets more than the decision.
Expect fake breakouts with shorts and spread widening.
And the next event is NGD trade balance. The massive improvement. This is NGD positive, especially if USD weaken after FOMC.
Next one, ANZ business confidence. Still high but dropping, slight cooling in sentiment limits New Zealand dollar upside.
The next is AUD import supply. A short-term signal imported inflation pressure, the AUD supported.
Germany in consumer confidence trend 37.9 versus 37.1 forecast. Small improvement, not a major Germany mover alone, but risk sentiment after FOMC will matter more.
The next event is euro and 3-month supply and private loan. Both stated at 3% and 2.9%, show steady credit growth. Mildly positive but not an euro mover without EBC contact.
For CAD trade balance, minus 0.7 billion versus minus 0.6 billion forecast. Wider deficit, which means CAD slightly negative.
The U.S. second wave USD data after FOMC volatility, the data unemployment claim 206,000 and the stable labor markets, the non-farm productivity is 4.9%. It's a strong inflation. Unit labor growth minus 1.9%, the lower wage ratio, inflation relief, and the trade balance minus of 43.4 billion, the larger deficit. The factory of the 1.7% strong manufacturing demands and inventory is 0.2% in the neutral. The natural gas store energy market impact. The productivity up and the labor growth is inflation equaling. We can actually support the dovish Fed naturally.
Now is the currency bias summaries. For USD is extreme volatility. Fed decide the directions. For New Zealand dollar, the bias is bullish and for the reason strong trade rebound. For AUD, the bias is also bullish, which the reason of import price surge. For CAD, it's like bearish because of trade deficit widened. For the Japanese yen, driven by risk mood, followed by USD and yield, and finally Euro, which is neutral since there is no major drivers. Now the trading strategy notes: during FOMC, do not chase first candle, wait for pullback and reduce position size.
And the best bet today is XAU USD gold low fast volatility. USD JPY the yield sensitive. AUD USD and NGD USD strong data versus USD.
Now this is a professional trading race, not a beginner race.
Control emotion, manage risk, and let the fast show direction first.
Good luck, trader. Trade smart, and we'll see you later.
Okay, so thank you so much to all the amazing viewers who joined our live stream today. We truly appreciate your time, your energies, and your support. Your enrollments, your questions, and your feedback means a lot to us. We love connecting with our trading communities and sharing the insights that we can help you grow as a traders. So stay tuned for our next live streams. We cannot wait to see you again and bring even more tips, updates, and opportunities to level your trading journeys. Goodbye.